Alright, so today I'm going to install one of these turbo whistles. Just pulled this one out, just a smaller one. I'm going to see if the bigger one give me a better sound or louder. It's pretty self-explanatory on how it goes on. Just a little bolt that screws onto your exhaust. As I took my exhaust tip off to put this on. Tightening the inside screw. I'm going to take my ratchet. Tighten the outside one. It's not coming off. Let me see if I can get my tip back on there. I got you in a little bit. Alright, got her done. The only problem is this, the tip sticks out really far now. A little bit. I'm gonna go for a drive now with it on. Alright, let's go. That was cool. It's a little louder now. The pitch is higher on this whistle versus the smaller one. But also, it starts it starts whistling at an earlier RPM. Like I'm cruising at 2,000 right now.